Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tima's tutorial. Today we'll be looking at undefined fraction and fraction equal to 0 under algebra. Undefined fraction and fraction equal to 0. So when do we say that a fraction is undefined? We say that a fraction is undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. Let's take for instance, we are given nx over dx. This is a fraction. This is the numerator, this is the denominator. So for this fraction to be undefined, we will equate this denominator, which I call dx. We equate it to 0, equal to 0. So, but for fraction equal to 0, what do you mean by this? If you are asked a question that for what value of x is the fraction equal to 0, you just go to the numerator. Our numerator is nx, so we equate nx to 0. So a fraction is said to be undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. Why? The fraction is equal to 0 when the numerator is equal to 0. So we're going to take some questions now. So let us consider this example. For what values of x is the fraction s squared minus 5x over 2s squared minus 7s plus 5 undefined? Like I said earlier, I said for a fraction to be undefined, I said the denominator must be equal to 0. So when we look at this fraction, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. So we just go straight solution. We just go straight to the denominator, that is 2s squared minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we factorize. This equation is a quadratic. It's a quadratic equation, so it can be factorized. So we multiply this 2x squared by 5, and that is going to give us 10x squared. Then we look for the two numbers that when we multiply together, we get positive. This is positive 10x squared. But when we add the same number together, we are going to get negative 7x. So that would be negative 2x, then negative 5x. So when we add this is going to give us negative 7x. When we also multiply, we also get positive 10x squared. So what we need is this. We carry this the way it is, we use it to replace negative 7x. Therefore, we have 2s squared minus 7x, minus 2x minus 5x, then plus 5 equals 0. So we introduce our bracket. Therefore, we have what's common? The 2s squared and negative 2x. What is common here is 2x. So we have 2x into bracket. 2s squared divided by 2x. That will be x minus 2x divided by this 2x. That will be 1. Close bracket. And then this negative minus. What's common to this and this? This is 5 into bracket. 5 goes in 5x. We are left with x. Then this negative 5 goes in positive 5. So we have negative 1. Close bracket equal to 0. So that means that x minus 1 into bracket 2x minus 5 equals 0. S minus 1 is here, s minus 1 is here, it is common to both, so we'll write it out into bracket 2x, then negative 5, combine it. Therefore, we can say that x minus 1 equals 0. We can say that x minus 1 equals 0, or 2x minus 5 equals 0. So our x equals 1, or 2x minus 5 equals 0. 2x equals 5. So we divide this out by 2, 2. This will cancel this. So x equals 1 or x equals 2 number 1 number 2. So the values of x for which the fraction is undefined is x equals 1 or x equals 2 number 1 number 2. That is for undefined fraction. But what about if you have what about if you are given a question that for what fraction of the if you are given the question that for what values of x is the fraction equal to 0? You may be given that question. Let's look at this example. Let's call this 2. This is 1. So for what values of x is the fraction? Let's see, x minus 5 over 2, over 3 s squared plus 5s minus, let's say minus 6 equal to 0. Equal to 0. This is a question. So for what value of x is this fraction equal to 0? You just go to the numerator. The numerator is x minus 5. Just equate it to 0. Therefore, x equals 5. So that is the difference between your undefined, between the undefined fraction and fraction equal to 0. So when a fraction is undefined, the denominator will be equal to 0. And when a fraction is equal to 0, the numerator will be equal to 0. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do well to like, comment, and as well you subscribe so that you can get more of the videos. Thank you.